G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a stunning home, 5 Palmerston Way, in the popular bayside suburb of Urraween. There is a lot to take in. Let's go and take a look around. This stunning inner suburban oasis was completed in 2019 and is perfectly positioned on a low maintenance 600 square metre allotment, allowing for clear side access and ample space to accommodate large RVs, caravans and boats, making it the perfect home base to return to between your nomadic travels. Immaculate and beautifully presented in the highly sought after master planned community of Augusta in the popular bayside suburb of Urraween. You will enjoy the convenience that comes with being located close to essential amenities, including shopping centres, hospitals, medical centres, the golf course, the beautiful esplanade, beach, cafes, restaurants, and everything else that makes Hervey Bay great. Enter and be welcomed by an array of quality appointments, sleek aesthetics, and an open, light-filled design. Enjoy the fusion of classic lines with modern finishes that create something special with an intuitive and creative floor plan. There is more than meets the eye with this home, offering an abundance of space to entertain with family and friends all year round. The stylish kitchen does form the heart of this home and includes a large island preparation bench with breakfast bar, beautiful stone bench tops, loads of storage drawers with soft close cabinetry, plus a pantry. Quality appliances include an electric oven and 4-burner gas cooktop with range hood, a dishwasher, and you've also got a plumbing provision for refrigerators with water filters and ice makers. Ideal for entertaining and preparing meals for both everyday and those special occasions. This stunning home utilises its space perfectly, with the vast indoor dining and living area seamlessly opening out to that fantastic north-facing alfresco outdoor entertaining area with shade blinds. This is where you'll take advantage and enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate, no matter what the weather. Cooling off over the warmer summer months is as simple as making a splash in the sparkling in-ground magnesium swimming pool with 2 large umbrellas, and it is solar heated so you can swim all year round. This home also includes reverse cycle split system air conditioning flowing across the open plan dining and living area, as well as all 4 bedrooms. In addition to that vast open plan dining and living area, there's also a separate lounge or media room with stylish plantation shutters. This is where you'll enjoy watching your favourite television series along with the latest blockbuster movies. All 4 bedrooms include ceiling fans, built-in wardrobes and reverse cycle split system air conditioning. The spacious main bedroom includes a ceiling fan, reverse cycle split system air conditioning and a large walk-in wardrobe, as well as a lavish ensuite with shower, vanity and a toilet. The bathroom includes a bath and shower plus vanity, as well as the toilet. Those looking to accommodate several vehicles will appreciate the oversized double garage with remote panel lift door and direct internal access into the home. The laundry offers direct access outside to the clothesline via the garage. This home also offers clear side access and a concrete parking pad to accommodate a large RV, caravan or boat. You also have 3 garden sheds to house all of your garden utensils. This home is highly energy efficient and comes complete with a large solar power system of approximately 6.6 kilowatts. This home also offers a security camera system with remote access, so you can keep a watchful eye on the home whilst you're away. Homes offering these features are rare and always in high demand, so don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.